Inside of Kittl, you can actually crop vectors and illustrations, and I'm going to show you how in this video. So here I've got my Merch by Amazon template set up. It's just a basic 5400 by 4500 template, and I'm going to insert some illustrations now into this template. So here I'm just going to hover over the illustrations button right there. I'm going to click it, and we'll see the illustrations now come up. So I'm going to type something in here like dog, for example, and we'll see a bunch of illustrations come up. Now, when you see something that's super black, like this dog here, this is most likely a vector. So I'm going to click on it and we'll see that this pops up. And I can tell this is a vector because when I scroll on down on the right-hand side, I can change the color of this pretty easily. So that's a vector. You can easily change the color of it, and it's usually one or maybe two colors at most. Another option is this dog here, and this is not a vector. So here when I click it, we're going to see that I can't change the color. There's no option here on the right-hand side. So that's an easy way to tell if you're dealing with a vector or if you're dealing with an image. Let's crop the vector first. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to change the color just to back to black just to make this easy. And I'm going to zoom in now so we can see this a bit better. And now I'm going to double click it. And what we'll see now is a bunch of points come up. And you can modify these points pretty easily. You can drag your mouse over the points and simply click the delete button. And that will delete a bunch of nodes. You can also individually change the nodes. I'm just going to zoom in here and I can just drag a node and that will make it larger if I so choose. To get out of this, simply double click outside of the vector. Double click and now I'm back to a nice looking vector. So it's an easy way to crop a vector and make it look very clean as well. Now I'm going to move on here to my illustration. This is not a vector. I'm going to double click it. And what you'll see now is I simply have crop tools come up in the corners. So what I can do now is just drag this and make it any size I like. I could crop this down to here, for example, click outside, and all of a sudden my image is now cropped. I can just simply click it again. The whole image will come back. So if you overcrop, you can always correct. Simply click outside, and now you have your cropped image. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I love using Kittl. There's a ton of features, templates, illustrations, fonts. I'll put a link to Kittl in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means if you click on the link and you purchase the Kittl subscription, I would receive a small commission. I encourage you to check it out today.